Use ACDP to copy the BDC2 key to the BDC3 key encrypted chip via ICP. To use this new feature, please upgrade your ACDP software version 2. The ACDP PC software must be upgraded to version 1.064 or higher. The ACDP2 PC software must be upgraded to version 2.08 or higher. The Android app must be upgraded to version 3.0141 or higher. The iOS app must be upgraded to version 3.64 or higher. Disassemble the original car key. Confirm the key type. This video takes the BDC2 key encryption chip as an example. According to the help, please connect the ACDP BDC 2/3 interface board with the BDC2 key properly, and switch the dip button to the BDC2 side. Open ACDP app. Confirm the ACDP device is bound in the upper right corner. Click BMW. Click FEM BDC. Click IMMO mileage. Click BDC02, BDC03, BCP LCD key encrypted chip ICP copy key. Click BDC02 key square main chip. Click read or IG key data. Click OK. Click OK. Verify the original key info and take a screenshot to backup. Click OK. Note the backup file's path, date, time, VAN, and key ID. The file name must end up with the bin extension. Click OK. Read original key data finish. Click OK. Selecting the corresponding menu to proceed the writing according to the new key type. The new key is compatible with both brand new original keys and keys from second-hand locks. Disassembling the new key. Confirm the key type. This video takes the new BDC3 key as an example. Replace the BDC2 key with a BDC3 key. And switch the dip button to the BDC3 side. Click to write BDC3 key. Important note, do not connect the original key, as this may erase its data and cause key damage. Click OK. Verify the new key information. Click OK. Note the backup file's path, date, time, VAN, and key ID. The file name must end up with the bin extension. Click OK. Click OK, select original BDC2 key data. Based on the date, time, VAN, and key ID, select the original key file ending with the bin extension. Check whether it is the original key info. Click OK. Write BDC2 key data finish. Click OK. Click OK. Assemble the BDC2 key and the copied BDC3 key. Get in the car and check if both the original key and the new key are working properly. Thank you for watching.